Yes, my name is Maurice, the crochet master, and today I have something that is very different that I'm going to be showing you. I know, we have been doing videos showing you how to do the crochets, weaving, and other things like cornrows, dreading. So for today, I would like to show you my other talent on how to style the natural hair. I know this is somehow difficult for you, but guess what? It's not going to be difficult. So, if it's your first time, please click on that red button and ring the bell so that you also show uh, your your support, that you really love my work. So as we're doing this, and I would like to shout out to everyone who have been with me ever since I started. Yes, from one subscribe and now we are here. Thank you so much. And those ones who keep loving my work, and those ones who are sharing my videos, thank you so much. Those ones in Abu Dhabi, United States of America, United Kingdom, German, Kenya, Nairobi, Tanzania, those ones in Oman, and I have friends in Netherlands, those ones in Canada. Wow, thank you so much for loving Cote d'Ivoire, yes, and France. So as we're styling natural hair, I'd like to give you some tips here. They're like three. One, don't ever, when you're doing the natural hair, sometimes you should not fear anything. You should not fear anything. Like maybe a client has brought you her hair that is short and you're trying to imagine how you're going to style it. No, that one should not scare you at all, because what we learn from styling, number one, it should always be the basics. Yes, there are those basics that you should love to follow, because sometimes I always like you guys to listen most, like you have to listen to the words that I be telling you, because watching the video, that shows that you're going just to copy this style, but when you listen, it means there are those things that you will hear from me and it will help you after. So when you're styling, number one, the one that you should put in your mind, first look at someone's head shape. We have those people with long forehead and short forehead, you understand? So if someone has got a long forehead, that means that person can do a sideways style, because someone with the long forehead, sometimes it's hard for them to pull it behind, because the whole fore will be open. So you just try to make sure you style it in a sideways format. And those ones with a short forehead, sometimes when you put it on the sideway, you find maybe it is falling in their faces, and we should always love to see someone's face when we are styling, you understand? Like when we someone's face, when it's a wedding, someone would need to see her face clearly. So when it comes to natural hair, after seeing all those steps, that maybe her hair is short, it has got a short forehead and long forehead, those are the things that you should always focus about. And number two is, there's one basic that you should not, or you should not forget, that after, if it's a short forehead, you can first pull the two sides. Yes, when you pull the two side, like both the left side and the other side, and you leave the hair on top, trust me, try it once. You will see that someone is trying to become, like, you will see the picture of what you're going to style. You get someone with short forehead, try to cut the line on at the corner of her hair, how can I say it, on the corner, of the left side and the right side. Then try to pull that hair. You will find that the hair remaining in front is going to give you that design that you're going to do. So when you're done with that way, that is the first basic that can give you the styling, and then you start styling. And the third trick that should not forget, please, whenever you're trying to style, the only thing you should not do, never show your pins. Yes, when you're styling, you should never show your pins. Yes, the pins are not supposed to be seen. And then when you're done with that, then some other thing is when we're trying to do here the makeup, I would advise sometimes, because we, the makeup artists, and even some others, sometimes we depend on what we know. Like we just do what we know professionally. But I would advise, because there's some people who maybe don't like too much makeup, and then for you're trying to do what you learned, or maybe what you know, to somebody, and then it will be very bad for her. Yes, because there are those ones who like very, very simple thing. You understand? Yeah. And because I remember one day I did a client, and she has never wore the eyelashes. So the time, and maybe the friends were insisting to pull the eyelashes, and then when we did it, the old pictures came when she was slept, like she was not the eyes were couldn't be seen, that whenever they could take pictures, the eyes are closed. So from there I realized that sometimes we need to share with these people, like we need to talk about it. Like maybe someone needs a simple makeup, or maybe it's too much. If it's too much, someone just tells you do what you feel like it is nice, then you can do it. But those ones that you should always need to talk with. Yes, as I'll be continuing to telling you about that, because me, I told you, I don't know how I got to learn everything, but I just know if it just comes. So I think probably I will try one day to show you what I got when it comes to the makeup, and then we'll try to explain my my ideas, or maybe you can also share with yours. So I'd like you to see all those tips, and so that when we start this session of doing the styling the natural, when you already know what we are going on. So for now, this is how we manage to style our bride, and you see how she's very, very happy with her natural hair. So for now, let me sign out, guys. My name is Maurice the Crochet Master, and I go on my Instagram as Maurice the Crochet Master. That is my personal account. You can go and follow me up, guys, so that we keep on chatting. Yes, I like friends, I like sharing ideas, so you can tell me what you got for me. But remember one thing, there is something I'm cooking for you, there's something that I'm doing for you, so that we get to learn everything. So I think all these will be on my those detailed videos that like go slowly, because I know that those slow learners who want to know all this. So we shall get in touch. Let me sign out. Bye bye.